Good morning, guys. Hi, Kalo Carver. Yes, hope everybody well. And also, I have breakfast. I changed my routine now for the morning. I just wake up and I do turmeric powder. So, 1 glass, I just half teaspoon. Nag-add lang ako. And turmeric is for anti-inflammation. So, meron siyang cloves, binabad ko na kagabi, may cinnamon, and I put uh, lime or lemon, no? Because gusto kong magkaroon ng rejuvenate or more nutrition ang mata ko in 2 weeks. Kasi ito yung mga desire food niya. Okay, like this. Avocado, and pumpkin seed and sesame seed. They have a lots of zinc and ayan, and plus the turmeric, no? Or ginger tea. It's okay. So, lahat yan, it's a fatty acid and a good source of a powerhouse for our eye. So, kung you try to do this in 2 weeks and you will see the benefits of your eye will be clear. And also, in the morning, nagre-release po ang ating mga uh, hormones, and they have 600 hormones, and the master hormones is insulin. So, nag-spike siya in the morning, so wag niyo po siya kainan ng mga high carb. So, this is low carb food, no? Like, even you want egg, no? And bacon, it's a good fat. They have a lots of high fatty acid and amino acid. Is a powerhouse. Tikman natin yung gawa ko. Empty stomach, warm water with salt is already electrolyte. Tapos dinagdagan pa namin siya ng cinnamon, ng cloves, ng anise, ng turmeric. Powerhouse na siya. Yan ang ma-absorb ng katawan ko. So, I want to clear my eye, my lutein. Yan. Kasi mahal ng mga vitamins ng mga lutein para sa mata. So, we can buy naman